So this is Shana from TheTwinDiaries, and I'm coming to you guys, showing you guys this look that I did. Everything's from the drugstore, and a lot of these products are very cheap. So if you want to see this look, keep watching.
Hi guys, so now I'm going to start off with the Makeup Revolution palette, and it was $20, and I'm taking the red burgundy-ish sparkly color that's in the palette. I don't know the name of it and it doesn't exactly say, but I'm also taking my Badescu and spraying the brush because it'll give it more pigment, more color, and it'll be more vibrant. And now I'm going in with my fluffy crease brush, and I'm just taking the dark brown color out of the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm just going to put that in my crease and blend it out super well. And now I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and I'm just going to put that all over my face, and I always use a sponge. And I'm going to go in with my C&C Concealer and put that all under my eyes, and I always get as close as I can to my nose because it contours it for you without you also having to go in and contour yourself. But you already know I'm going to do that anyway. And then I also go down my nose and I put that above my lip, on my chin, and also on my forehead. And now I'm going to take my handy dandy sponge and I'm going to blend that in super well. And now I'm just going to go in with my Absolute New York palette, take the lightest shade and push that into my skin, under my eyes, nose, and everything else to set it. And now I'm taking Absolute New York palette once again. We obviously love it, and I'm going to contour with it. And obviously that was a lot of product. And I'm just going to contour and ignore my freaking pimple and contour my face. And now I'm just showing you I already put on my lashes. I'm just spraying with my Badescu spray. Love it. And now I'm going in with NK Beauty's whipped lipstick called Ruthless. And I also lost the footage for the highlight, but the highlight I used was by NYX and it was called Synthetica. And here's the final look, you guys. I hope you like it. Subscribe and thrive.